Yes.
Frank Lopez.
Mr. Lopez, this is the time for your initial appearance. You're here on charges of aggravated assault with a dangerous weapon, aggravated assault with a deadly instrument, and aggravated assault with serious physical injury. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to be represented by an attorney. I am appointing the Pima County Public Defender's Office to represent you. This morning, we are going to talk about your conditions of release, and you do have counsel with you for that purpose. The state is recommending that you be held on a bond of $1 million. And if you are able to post bond, you'd be released to pretrial services. I have reviewed their recommendations. I have reviewed the interim complaint. I have also reviewed information from pretrial services that lets me know whether you have any felony criminal history. It also lets me know what information you were able to provide about your connections to the community and references. And they also complete assessments and recommendations. Would the state like to be heard further?
Yes, Your Honor. This person assaulted a person coming off the bus, somebody he did not know, and attempted to take her cell phone. Bystanders intervened, trying to defend this victim that he was assaulting for no cause. One of the bystanders apparently had a hatchet in his possession that fell to the ground. The defendant then picked up this hatchet and cracked him in the head. This person was rushed to the emergency room. This person's condition is unknown at present. We don't know if they're even alive. Next, there was another person, the third victim, that tried to assist the victim that got cracked in the head. And for her efforts, the defendant struck this person, giving her with the hatchet in her arm, also sending her to the emergency room. Both were sent to the ER for severe injuries. We don't know their status. We don't know if they are still alive. We don't know if one is dead and the other may lose their arm. This person is an NVCA, yes. This person attacked three random people, two with a deadly weapon, and the first one for no reason. He had no idea who these people were. He attacked this person. Two people came to their aid, and he cracked him in the head and the arm with a hatchet. We don't know if these people are alive. $1 million.
Thank you. Defense?
Thank you, Your Honor. I just want to highlight the point of a bond is not to punish the defendant and is to ensure his appearance at future court dates and also protect the community. Mr. Lopez has only one prior charge from 2000. He has been in Tucson for, I believe, his whole life. He is homeless and unemployed, so $1 million would be essentially a no bond, making him unable to ever post bond. It sounds like there was an altercation. Again, the specifics of what happened with the phone and the fighting is uncertain. It also sounds like this hatchet may not have been Mr. Lopez's hatchet and may have been acting in self-defense. So for those reasons, I believe a bond of $1,000 and something significantly less than $1 million is appropriate in this case. Thank you.
Your Honor, in the alternative, the state could be opting for no bond under the dangerousness statute. However, in lieu of that, we have opted to ask for the $1 million. However, the state would still retain the option for dangerousness holding no bond.
Thank you. At this point in time, I am going to order the bond of $1 million cash or secured. The information that I have so far would suggest that this is an extremely senseless situation or what other conditions might protect the community. However, there may be more information at a future date for a court to consider. If you are able to post that bond, You'll be released to pretrial services. You'll be ordered to submit to monitoring or treatment as directed by pretrial services. No alcohol or illegal drugs, no firearms or weapons. Surrender any firearms that are in your possession. No contact with the alleged victims. Do not go to their residence or workplace. Do not return to the incident location. Your next court date is scheduled for May 23rd at 1:30 for a preliminary hearing. If you fail to appear, a warrant can issue for your arrest. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You're excused for today.
In contact with the attorney, they might be able to find a motion.